Yeah. Just got out from the pool. And it's so cool. So refreshed. Yes. Dili live ay signal.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ay, dili pwede mag-live kay makasapan sa tong amo. Yeah, let's go down back. Let's go downhill. Hoy, confirmed. It's a hot spring mixed with a cool spring and very refreshing. Super cool, but there's something secret. And I don't want to tell you. It's gonna be fantastic. See, the adventurer. Yes. It's 200, estimatedly 200 meters downhill. And it's so worth it. 20 pesos entrance fee. Oh, diba? And the kids are free. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit here. This is called Papaso. Papaso Cold and Hot Spring.
Kinsa man?
Yeah.
Kinsa man nilili?
Si Iya Minda.
Oh.
Papaso Cold and Hot Spring. And my brothers and sisters are so on the go, so we're so happy. Happy lang. And we're almost down. Duka oras di ay. Diba? Oh, grabe nga humul-humul duka oras. Grabe ka sulit oy. 20 pesos entrance. Oh, di ba? Ali na mo. Magbalik me very soon. And God's perfect time kay super kalayo. Grabe kalayo siya. Pero malingaw ka kay ang mga bata manggod imong malipay sila, malipay po tanaw nila. Grabe, as in. So, makita lang niyo ang likod, no? Adventure ka ang dating. Pero at the end, at the hilltop, very cool. Very nice. Bawi ang mga ano bitong o diba, maghalhal ka pag kamulo ni mong pangas. Pag abot na din dito, grabe. And that's it. We're going down. And the trees here are so big, so virgin. And they're still developing this place. Sada kayo. Pila pa niya ang himuan daw og pool down there para ang mga senior citizens di na mosaka kay mga tuhod sa mga senior, no. Dili madali labi na kay nani 200 meters kapangpang. Tapos batuon rough. No, ang bato pag diri no kay height siya mura siya kuan bitaw ano siya gana bitaw gaminahon para salog flat then gakuan baga pile. So mura siya tinuyo bitaw nga tiles. Pero naturally bato siya. Oh, see? And we're going here. A small bridge. Small bridge. Okay. So there are different mga paratulas here to read kay dili ko na mga dapat i-observe in coming here. So nagsingita na akong anak kay pagali na daw ko. So we're almost there. It's maybe 10 meters. Okay. Few seconds left. Okay. Oops! Hi. Super cool. As in super cool. Nurturing the nature is the best way to help and save the Mother Earth. Let's help save the Mother Earth, people of the world. And let's see the future. Okay. If we think of our time nga as in today lang, and we're not protecting our nature, so delikado. And there we go. The kids are so happy.
Hala, lami kay mo apil.
Diba?
Ilis.
Is butterfly. This is a very nice place indeed.
Isay.
Sadakay ang palibot. Look around. Sagbutan lang siya. Oh. Hopefully, di siya maguba kada sikituan sa mga hotel and motels. Oh, may canteen. It's the canteen. And we're going out na.
Ugaw ka sila, oy. Ako ba yun? Ugaw mo sampot. Dali lang kuwat.
May pretty pamangkin, ha? Mag-ilis pa ta? Mag-ilis pa kita. May masukot ang kuwan.
Dali lang kuwat, ma. Ma! Dali lang kuwat.
We're in the outside na. So we can be balik here kung pagbigyan ng panahon. And my cousins nga mga buutan, mga gwapoy tsuraan. Hi!
Puan be, Colgate be, mga hibigan pa din.
Ay, may palanglang. Picture.
May unggoy na sa likod.
Picture.
Nawala ba? Nagakaw.
Asa dire?
Yes,
Oh, kini may lam dire mo.